Hello and welcome. In this episode I'm showing to you some details about how to turn the PC fan into a small wind turbine. That's something with so easy, but here is some details I can tell you. This is an old PC fan I've used and I've made some configurations with it, but I didn't shoot I didn't take movies when I was making it, so I'll explain it right now in some details. I removed the blades. Of course, you will not need to remove the blade. I just wanted to connect some other blades, larger blades, but it didn't work. But actually, you don't need to remove the blades, but you need only to remove. Here is a plastic lock. It's a circular plastic lock. I removed it with crocodile clips or any pin or screwdriver. You can remove it, so you can easily remove this rotor that contains the permanent magnet and the blades. So we've removed it. Then after, you can disconnect the stator, which have the terminals, the wires connected right here. You can see there were 3 wires connected to this fan. Okay, 3 wires. I've removed them. But actually, what is the main configuration or modification I've made to this PC fan wind turbine? The main one is that I've removed the IC from here. As you can see, there has been a 4-pin IC right here, which is the electronic commutator. The electronic commutator that makes this fan a brushless DC motor. The electronic commutator IC takes the 12 volt DC and then makes it alternating current AC. It makes it square wave, so it can be AC, so it generates the rotating magnetic field inside this stator without it actually rotates. So when the rotating magnetic field is generated inside this rotor, the permanent magnet inside this rotor also rotates, and then the blades rotate, and this is how the motor as the PC fan works. But as we want to use this PC fan as a generator, we don't need this electronic commutator anymore, because in the reverse current, when the current is induced inside this rotor, of course, as you know, when we use this PC fan as a generator, we already have this permanent magnet rotating, so it induces alternating and rotating magnetic field inside this rotor. So when the alternating current is induced inside this rotor, the electronic commutator works as a rectifier, and it actually blocks the input current in the reverse direction from the rotor to the wires. So that makes it a bad generator. So we need to remove it. So as you can see, I've removed it with a soldering iron, and it's not here anymore. Now we can get that induced current directly without any problem, because this winding is connected in series. As you can follow here, it's connected in series, so it can be used directly. So actually we can take that induced current on these terminals, and as I'll make it so I don't spoil it, I will take the current on those terminals right here. Instead of those, they are actually connected to them, starting from the left, the second and the third. I'll connect an LED so it can work like this. So let's see how it's going to work. Okay, now we are continuing with our modification. So let's see, we've got the terminals. It has been connected to these terminals, 3 terminals. Now that we have removed this IC, electronic commutator, now we'll connect the terminals that we will take the induced EMF on those terminals, the second and the third from left. Those terminals, we'll connect the wires to them because they are directly connected to the winding of the stator. Okay, they are connected in series, as you can see here. So we connect those terminals to the pins we set using this solder iron. Okay, we'll get back right now. And now that we have used the solder iron and we made the connection that we set here, we connected it in those terminals in the place where the electronic commutator IC inside its pins, and now we've assembled it like this. Okay, here's the stator in its place, and here is the rotor. Just put it like this. Of course, you need to install the lock, the plastic lock, like this, so it will not break. Now we rotate it like this, and we connected the LED. Of course, you can see it blinking. In both directions. It's so simple and easy. So if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask. And full details you'll find in the description of the video below. And you can check the book if you like. It's so simple and easy. And it's really rewarding and very educational indeed. Of course, it will not power your home, but it might really charge your phone or light an LED like this. One thing, you can put another rotor like this. I found this old rotor. Of course, you will have many of these, so you can connect it like this, okay, and let it wind. That's all. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.